The Customer Services portal offers intuitive navigation to help you quickly locate the information you need. The homepage will always be the first screen you see after you log in. You'll soon get familiar with its different sections. Installed Base Health gives you a quick overview of the number of installed products with open incidents by case priority. You can click the link to view the list of incidents. Service Case Updates provides an instant overview of the number of cases created in the last 30 days, closed in that time, or currently open. Click the link to see the list of these cases. The calendar shows you a quick overview of upcoming on-site activities. Now you can see scheduled visits for all of the associated installed products. Using the Request Support button, you can request technical or clinical support. You can request other services as well. If you'd like to contact Philips, you can contact our Customer Care Center via this phone number. By clicking the Contact Customer Service button, you can send a message to our portal support team. The Global Search feature allows you to search across all objects in the portal. The menu items help you to easily navigate to a specific type of information. Click on the respective menu items to open list views for locations, meaning where a product is located. Accounts, meaning the entity owning the products. Cases, installed products, meaning what you might call assets, equipment, devices, or products. And finally, contracts and warranties. List views are an easy way to find the information you are looking for. Throughout the portal, any items with a blue font are hyperlinks. Click on these links to go to the respective details pages. Many of these details pages include tabs with even more detail. The examples we show you here are details pages for a case, an installed product, and a contract details page. The Reports button in the navigation menu brings you to various reports created by Philips. Depending on the report, they may include graphs. You can export the data from each report. However, you cannot create your own reports. The Documents feature, accessible from the Documents menu item, allows you to view and download customer-facing documents, including customer service receipts, test and inspection reports, and time and material quotations across multiple objects. For example, 3 installed products. The portal also allows you to quickly download documents from the various details pages. They can be found on the Documents tab. Finally, the Customer Services portal includes a My Profile section you can access from the top of the screen. Use this section to view and update your own personal data. Thank you for your interest. We are always there, always on, 24/7 with the Customer Services portal.